Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Skoda Fabia 2007 to 2014? In this video, we're checking out all the use boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Fuses at the battery, manual gearbox. The battery fuses, manual gearbox in the Skoda Fabia 2007 to 2014 protect high current systems like the alternator, ABS, radiator fan, and power steering. They use heavy-duty strip fuses to ensure safe power distribution and prevent overload damage. Fuses at the battery, automatic gearbox. The battery fuses, automatic gearbox in the Skoda Fabia 2007 to 2014 protect major high current systems, including the alternator, ABS, radiator fan, and transmission control. They consist of heavy-duty strip fuses that ensure reliable power flow and safeguard circuits from overloads. Fuses in the dash panel. The dash panel fuses in the Skoda Fabia 2007 to 2014 protect interior electrical systems such as lighting, infotainment, power windows, and climate control. They are arranged in a clearly labeled layout, making identification and replacement quick and convenient. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.